In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make your TikTok account private. It's very simple to do. It takes less than 1 minute. So if you find this useful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, you might want to make your TikTok account private if you don't want certain people seeing your videos or seeing your follower list or who you follow. And I'm going to be showing you how to make it private in this video. So all you want to do is you want to head on over to your TikTok app. Once you're here, you're going to be on your For You page, but where you want to go is your profile on the bottom right. Now, once you're in this section, on the top right, you're going to see 3 little lines and you just want to click those. You're going to see your TikTok studio, your balance, QR code, and settings and privacy. You want to go ahead to settings and privacy. You're going to see a bunch of different options, and it's also definitely worth going through them and making sure your app is set up exactly how you want it to be. But for the sake of this video, we're going to be going into our second tab, which is privacy. Once you're here, you're going to see again a lot of different options, and you're going to see private account at the very top. Now it says with a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. So if there was someone that's already following you, they are going to still be able to see your videos and stuff, but you can remove them as a follower by going to your follower list.